This is the last lap of the lecture series on balancing redox equation. And this is the last question. It says balance the redox equation in alkali medium. Tetraoxomanganese 7 ion reacting with iron 2 ion to form manganese 2 ion plus iron 3. You must rewrite the equation first. And this is the equation. This is the equation. And the first thing you do about this equation is to balance non-oxygen atoms. Manganese is balanced already. 1 here, 1 here. Iron is balanced. 1 here, 1 here. So that's all. The next is to separate the redox equation into two ionic half equations. How do we do that? We identify the oxidation numbers of each of the species here. Manganese here, the oxidation number is +7. Because 4 times 2 is 8 minus 1 plus 7. Oxygen here is -2. Iron here is +2, the charge. Manganese here is +2, the charge. Iron here is +3, the charge. These are the oxidation states of the species involved. From these oxidation states, we can now know which species is reduced and which one is oxidized. Anyone that increases its oxidation state from reactant to product has been oxidized. And anyone that decreases its oxidation state from reactant to product has been reduced. So let's use arrow to explain this. Manganese changed from +7 to +2. So it's a decrease. We call it reduction. Iron 2 ion increased its oxidation state from +2 to +3. That is oxidation. Why this one is reduction. Through this, we can now split this redox equation into two halves. Oxidation half is this: Fe 2+ to afford Fe 3+. This is oxidation half. And on the number line, we have 0 + 1 + 6 + 7 -1 -2. Now, coming to this, from +2 to +3 is one step to the right, meaning we are going to add 1 electron to the right. That is oxidation. We now say +1 electron. When you balance the charges, +2 here, +2 here, +3 -1, which is still +2. Now let's move to reduction half equation. Oxidation number of manganese is +7. So from +7 to +2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 electrons accepted by manganese 7. So we are going to write 5 electrons here. The next is to balance oxygen. Oxygen is 4 here. So we write 4 molecules of water to the right. And the next is to balance hydrogen. In alkali medium, you don't write H+, you write H2O and OH-. Now, so in balancing an alkali medium, what do we have? We have 4 times 2, 8 water molecules should be added to the left, and 8 OH- should be added to the right. So let's go. MnO4- plus 5 electrons plus 8 water molecules to afford Mn2 plus 4. If you check this, it is balanced. Manganese 1 here. Oxygen 4. Okay, water molecules are duplicates, so you cancel 4 out of this 8. Remove 4 here, remove 4 here, and we have MnO4- plus 5 electrons plus 4 water molecules to afford Mn2 plus plus 8OH minus. We have finally balanced this reduction half. This is reduction half. Manganese 1 and 1. Oxygen 4 plus 4, 8 and 8 here. Hydrogen 4 times 2, 8 and 8 here. The charges are minus 1, minus 5, which is minus 6, plus 2, minus 8, which is minus 6 balanced. Now, the next is to add these two half equations. I will bring them together first. So these are the two half equations together first. So these are the two half equations. In order to add them, remember, 1 electron was lost by this ion, and 5 electrons are needed by manganese 7. Therefore, we must balance the electrons by multiplying the equation 1 by 5 electrons, by 5, and the equation 2 by 1. This is simultaneous equation. So this 5 will multiply everything here, and we are going to finally have times 5 to afford this times 5 plus this times 5. This is that same equation 1. And we have this times 1, manganese 2 ion, plus 8 hydroxide ion, equation 2. You can now cancel the 2 electrons and add everything at the reactant side together, and add everything at the product side together, and we have 5Fe2 plus MnO4 minus plus 4 water molecules to afford 5Fe3 plus Mn2 plus 8 hydroxide molecules. This is the balanced form of this equation. Is a balanced form. If you check well, everything is balanced. 5 iron atoms, 1 manganese, 1 manganese. 4 plus 4, 8 oxygen atoms. Look at it there. 4 times 2, 8 hydrogen atoms. It is there. Charges plus 2 times 5 is plus 10 minus 1, and that is plus 9. Here, plus 3 times 5 is plus 15, plus 2, minus 1 times 8 minus 8. This is plus 17 minus 8, and that is plus 9. Therefore, the equation is balanced. I hope you got value. If you did, quickly click on plus sign, comment, and share this video so that JAMB, WAEC, NECO, NAPTEB, and Year 1, Year 2 students will get to see the video. Do have a nice day. See you later in the next video. Bye.